Hey guys, so today we have a quick unboxing, well, kind of unboxing of the QiYi WuHua and the QiYi WuQue. I say kinda because I already opened the cubes and tried them out because I couldn't wait to, film it. So we'll start, sorry, we'll start with the WuHua first. So compared to the, let's see, Yushin Red. Oh shoot. Okay. Here's the Yushin Red. It's very slightly taller, and maybe if I had to guess, maybe a fifth of a QB taller. So the turning is okay. So it feels very similar to the QiYi WuShuang, I think, the 5x5. The outer layer is probably the best of them all. All three layers, they're fast and very whooshy. It doesn't actually feel very sandy. It's really smooth. Out of the box, corner cutting. It's 1 QB. I could probably use this. I just need to lube it just a little bit, put in some maru, and adjust tensions. It should be pretty good. I tried Andrew Nathanson's at San Diego, and I used it for one solve, but then like it was too different from the Yushin Red, which I was using at the time. But I thought it was a pretty good cube that day. Let's do the WuQue now. So what I understand is there was a huge mold problem with the cube. So I ordered this back in November, and I kept going through the mold issues, and now I have it today, which is December 31st. So turning. This cube is very good. Again, the turning is whooshy. It's fast, smooth. Compared to the Aosu, which has been my main since, I have no idea, probably 2013. Oh, they're the same size. I think I prefer the smooth feeling over the Aosu's very sandy and kind of rough feeling cube. Unfortunately, I think the WuQue's gonna replace my Aosu. It's sad, but I should probably move on from that cube because my Aosu's been dead for a while, and I just haven't bothered to get a new 4x4. So yeah, this cube is amazing. Hope the WuHua, after a bit of setting up, becomes amazing, just like the WuShuang. So I have all three here. Pretty soon I'll be coming out with the Guoguan 2x2, Cosmic Air, and possibly the WuJi 7x7. So look out for that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and happy New Year.